CYCU stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Cycurion, whatever the pronunciation is there, the price just keeps melting down. I mean, I would say it's totally reasonable, just looking at the chart, and just again today also still everything being down. I've done 36,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses, some mentors, so you better know I've seen what's working for me and what's not. But like looking at CYCU, yeah, like unless I really see that double shift, then there's like basically no way that I'm shorting. Like, and I'm not even trying to be like rude or anything. But yeah, if the price reaches my supply zone, then and only then potentially that's a short sell. But honestly, with a chart like this, I think like so high, like it's such a high risk stock for people that are potentially buying it like as like a lottery ticket. But yeah, for me it's still a bearish market. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.